The name of Allah, who is the King of the all King and Creator of the all creation. My respectable team of teachers and my dear fellows, I am personal violator of Jamia-tul-uloom and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. So today's topic is time is precious. Wow, this topic looks just amazing. I am feeling very eager to tell this speech. First of all, what's time? Time is quite difficult, but let me try. Time is something that we measure in seconds, minutes and hours. We can know the time by using a wall clock or wristwatch. My respectable team of teachers and my fellows, what does the word precious mean? If we say that something or someone is precious, we can know that the person is very valuable, should not invest it too easily. Time is precious. My respectable team of teachers and my dear fellows, I am here to present my views on the most important factor, time. Dear friends, time is not a single moment in life we can afford to lose. Time is the most significant factor in life just we can afford to lose. Time is the most significant factor in life. Understanding its value and keeping peace is very important. Moving ahead with time is a person is very valuable and should not be stuck in his death. My dear fellows, time is a weak on running like a wheel. We cannot restore it. Time, stop it, it is not replaceable. It does not wait for anybody. We cannot take back our ball. We cannot take a stick plucked flower. Similarly, time cannot be received. My dear fellows, if one fails to recognize of time, if students spend the examination, time is money. Do not waste it. Thanks for all. Thanks for patient hearing me. Thanks for all.